Is your Land Cruiser's gear shift feeling a bit tired? This little upgrade promises to not just replace, but transform your driving experience. We're talking about the ZJWH-DSKF automatic gear shift knob, specifically designed for the Toyota Land Cruiser models from 2008 to 2015. Now, the first thing to note, and it's crucial, is that while it's advertised for these specific years, always double-check if your current gear knob matches the product's design before you buy. Compatibility is key here, and a quick visual comparison can save a lot of hassle. But assuming it's a perfect fit, what does this K591 color option bring to the table? Well, the manufacturer highlights high-quality materials, claiming they're wear-resistant and corrosion-resistant. In hand, it certainly feels robust. There's a reassuring weight to it, and the finish appears durable, suggesting it could indeed stand up to years of daily use without showing significant signs of wear. This isn't some flimsy plastic piece. It feels like a genuine upgrade. The design itself is where the better experience and comfort really comes into play. The unique shape is crafted to provide a superior grip. You know how sometimes your palm can feel a little slick, especially on longer drives or in warmer weather? This knob aims to prevent that, ensuring a firm, confident hold every time you shift. The idea is to make each gear change feel smoother, more precise, and ultimately more comfortable. It's those small, tactile improvements that truly enhance the overall driving feel. Installation is another big win. This isn't a complicated modification. It's described as a direct replacement, meaning you simply remove your old or damaged gear knob and slot this new one into place. No special tools, no complex wiring, just a straightforward swap. That's a huge plus for anyone who prefers DIY car enhancements without the headache. Beyond the practicalities, there's the aesthetic appeal. A new, well-designed gear lever isn't just about function. It's about elevating the interior of your vehicle. It can become a subtle but noticeable highlight, contributing to the overall look and feel. The manufacturer even suggests it can enhance the overall value of the vehicle. And while that might be a stretch for a single knob, it certainly makes the interior feel fresher and more premium. It's about pride in your ride. So, for Toyota Land Cruiser owners from 2008 to 2015, looking for a simple yet impactful interior upgrade, the ZJWH-DSKF automatic gear shift knob offers a compelling package. It promises durability, improved comfort, easy installation, and a touch of style. If your current shifter is showing its age, or you just want a nicer feel, this could be an amazing little enhancement. It's a small investment for a noticeable daily driving improvement.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.